Tesla launches Model Y with just 2 seats as a smart business solution. Tesla has developed a 2-seater Model Y with a storage capacity of 2,158 liters and offering a range of up to 565 kilometers, WLTP cycle. This model is eligible for commercial vehicle taxation. The new version of the Model Y offers a lot more storage in the rear and more range. In France, vehicles with 2 or 3 seats used for commercial purposes are exempt from the TVA tax. The country currently has a fleet of around 6.3 million commercial vehicles, mostly powered by diesel, as Maguette points out. And Tesla is going after that market with this new version of the Model Y. Some businesses could also use the space to custom fit a setup related to their business, like Tesla has been doing for its mobile service units. The exhibition will commence in Strasbourg from March 4th to March 18th. Followed by a display in Lille from March 18th to April 1st, according to Tesla owner Esther Kokelmans. Subsequently, the vehicle will be presented in Paris from April 1st to April 22nd, then in Rennes and Nantes from April 22nd to May 6th, Bordeaux from May 6th to May 20th, Toulouse from May 20th to June 3rd, Aix-en-Provence from June 3rd to June 17th, and finally in Lyon from June 17th to July.